Hello everyone. Today I'm here with Michael and we're about to launch an amazing property in the heart of Coral Gables. More specifically, this property is in South Gables and is on the Gables waterway. It is actually Michael's family house and he grew up here and he can tell you a little bit about it.
Yes, it's a beautiful property on the waterway. You can do plenty of fishing. It comes with a pool, 4 bathrooms, 4 bedrooms, 2-car garage, and it's right next to US 1. So It's great location.
I think, it's close to UM, it's close to Doctor's Hospital.
Yes.
So I think this would be a great house for a professional, maybe a doctor or somebody that works in the university. It's very accessible because, like Michael says, it's by US 1. But the most amazing thing is the price, right?
Yeah.
Who wouldn't want to buy a house on the water for $2.5 million, right?
Yep.
So we're expecting multiple offer situation. We're going on the market on the 1st of March. But if you want to buy first, give us a call and we'll be happy to show it to you. Thank you.
Thank you.